Hello everyone, welcome back to Teaching with Tania. If you guys don't know by now, your girl, Teaching with Tania, will be teaching 3rd grade next year. I am beyond the moon excited because that's my dream grade and some other good details about this job that you guys will find out later on. But because I accepted a job in a whole other state, I have to relocate. So throughout this whole month, I have been searching for apartments, praying for apartments, and just seeing where the Lord will have me. As I transition out of dorm life into like my own apartment. I toured many different apartments throughout this month, and to be honest, I just narrowed it down to the 3 that were my favorite and the 3 that I was in between. And so I want to show you guys some of those clips now. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe down below because so let's get right to the video. The first one I'm going to show you is the two bed, two bath that I was looking at. And it's actually really nice. It's really modern. And of course, this was the touring one, so it's staged up a little bit. This one does not come with furniture, but the kitchen was so nice. And I feel like it was a lot more space than I needed. Like, I'm only one person. Literally, all I need is 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. So let me guys know what you guys think about this one. That I went to go look at was a 1 bedroom and 1 bath. This particular one, the second one, was like a variation of a 1 bedroom, 1 bath, but of course I'll get my own kitchen and my own room and bathroom to myself. So this one does come furnished, so I'll let you guys check out this one. last one I'm going to show you guys is a 1-bedroom and 1-bath as well. It's very similar to my first one that I showed you guys. So go ahead and check it out. Apartment choices that were my favorite, and I want you guys to go ahead and comment down below which one you think I chose. And of course, I'll be filming an apartment tour, my process moving out, so stay tuned for those videos. And yeah, let me know which one was your favorite down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.